Here's a quick video update for the viewer that asked, can this bait chopper chop up tiger nuts? I've just got some out my freezer, so I'm going to do some frozen, and then a little bit later on I can record them when they're thawed out. But I'll do some frozen. I've had a delivery, my usual Scopex squid, some syrup. Okay, let's stick some of these in, see what happens. All that's happening is that just spinning round with the blade. Look, that's kind of hooked on there. So when they are properly thawed out, I'll have another go, but it doesn't like the frozen ones at all. These are pretty much thawed out now. I don't think it's going to make any difference, you know. I think they're just going to spin round the same, but let's give it a go just to prove it. You know what, that is working better. Let's give it another zap. So as you can see, with all the bits sticking to the sides, so they're a little bit wet still, it has chopped them a bit. Not totally, they're not ground down completely, but there's only the odd one or two that is whole. Let's tip it out into here. So look at the difference between the whole ones and these blended up. Not too bad, you know. Not bad at all. I think if I kept blending, if I kept going with that, it'd go even finer than that. So it kind of does the job. It's not amazing, but it depends how fine you want the tigers. Tell you what I must do, go and look at some reviews of One More Cast, Ali's bait grinder. See how good that is. I might go fishing tomorrow. Air pressure very low, gonna be a bit rainy. I quite like rainy days when I'm fishing. Stocked up on the squid Scopex syrup, and as you saw, another 5 key bag of pellets. I've got a 5 key bag of boilies down on the floor. I'm all ready to rumble. Another bait I'm going to test out this season is going to be Mainline's cell. My friend's done really good using the cell, so what I'm going to do is a comparison video. I'm going to do one bait versus another Mainline cell against the squid Scopex. Two of the biggest baits that's ever been made. They're both really superb baits, and just see which comes out best. Thanks for watching my short little video. I shall see you soon.